and it's called, first of all my best wishes for you, and in 2026 I wish you all good health, and for you and your family, that's the most important thing. So I got the day off and I thought about myself, why not make use of the time to make another POV photo walk near my hometown. I'm at another destination. I scouted out this area last week and I thought, wonderful. As you might hear, I'm near the freeway from Aalst to Ghent. I'll drown it out as much as I can with the DJI Mic Mini. Quick disclaimer, all the things you see in this video and what I do is not sponsored at all. All the gear I use I bought by myself. As you can see, it snowed a lot this week. Before I forget, for this photo walk I'm using the kit lens 16-50 for my Nikon Z50II. I've been using the Z50II for over a year. Like I bought it in December 24. So yeah, that's a little over a year. There's some certain things you need because you're out for a couple of hours. You're walking, taking pictures. I bring a microfiber cloth, a dust blower, both for my lenses, and a power bank. And of course, the camera itself. Now, I did not walk here because it's more than a mile. So I came with my iron donkey. This is my donkey. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm Peter and my channel's name is Life in Pixels because everything through a camera is made out of pixels. There you go. So without further ado, let's hit the snow. Oh my God. Cold. So I took a little drive or walk with my bike on hand. Came from that direction. And I wanted to show you something I discovered this week, which was pretty awesome. Hello. Always be nice to people. So as I mentioned, I'm shooting with the kit lens, the 16-50, because it has a very wide field of view, and which is great for, I don't know, photo walks, landscape. If you do wildlife, you need a telephoto lens. All right, coming close. Okay, so also I'm shooting today on aperture priority. So what that does, my God. So what that does is you can only fiddle with the aperture and the camera does the rest. Sets the ISO and the shutter speed for you. You can use the exposure compensation as well. If you think your photo is too bright or too dark. My God, I should have put my boots on instead of these shoes. Okay, let's see. Where was it? You see this? It's like a tunnel. And I made a picture earlier this week and I called it Winter at the End of the Tunnel. So what I'm gonna do is don't know if you can see it. I'll just press the push it a little bit down. No, you can't see it. I want you to see the display of the camera. Put my focus right on the middle of the. So aperture is at 4.5 You see how the ISO changes? And if I push up the, see now it's at 500, 400. When I want to keep it at 5.6, zoom in a little bit, focus at the end of the tunnel, there. So 1/40th of a second is pretty slow, so maybe I should, I don't see my meter, zoom in a little bit more. It's very overexposed at the end of the tunnel, so what I'm gonna do is lower the exposure a bit. See the meter, focus, shoot again. This one is in landscape mode, there. As always, I will show the pictures on screen, but at the end of this video I will show them after I process them in Lightroom. Okay, let's put you a little bit back up there so you can see the environment. Oh my god, my feet are cold and getting wet. It's my own mistake, my bad, it's my choice. So at the end of this video I will process them, like I said, into Lightroom, and you will see what difference that makes. All right, we've arrived a little bit further, not much, like 20 yards or something, and this nice looking picture. You see the leading line of the snowy path right here. This path goes up to the highway. Never go there, too dangerous. Okay, the sky is not ideal today, it's very gray, but you'll see what I do with it at the end of this video when you see all the pictures. All right, let's go. Never let the, so this is the histogram. I would suggest you never get a peak close to the right, because your whites will be blown out. So keep it a little bit away from the right edge. It's the same for the left edge, that's your darks. So this is gonna be a very dark photo. I'm gonna crank up the ISO compensation a little bit. So I put it at +3. Zoom in a little bit. This is gonna be a nice one. Even the tracks of the bikes you see here are kind of leading lines. I will put focus point right at the end. Oh, my battery is dying. See, that's why you bring a power bank. Take a landscape one. Zoom out a little bit. There. So I'm gonna hook it up to my power bank now. I might just leave it hooked like that because my cable is long enough, my USB-C cable, and put it in my bag and just walk around like that. We're back where I recorded my intro. You can see the environment. Beautiful, isn't it? All the whites and the brownish colors, and the duckies are saying hello to you. Hi, ducky. And here's where I wanted to take a picture. Okay, one more tip. I bought a screen protector for the touchscreen here. So if you have a Nikon Z50II, please do buy one. Not touching the right side. f6. Shutter speed, no worries. ISO, no worries. The camera does that for you in aperture mode. Priority. Let's go. Zoom out a little bit more of the sky. As you can see, probably the photos will be dull, but wait till the end of the video and you'll see what I mean. Lightroom is a powerful, very powerful tool. Let's move on. B-roll. Putting some music beneath this one. La 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 la. Let's park it up here. The only thing that's left for me to do is to take a swim. And I got the triathlon. Okay. It's a lame joke, I know. I'm at 16 millimeters. You can see the snow in the foreground. There. Yep. I don't want the wire in the shot. F5. Should be good. It's all good. And I hope you're enjoying so far this video. Leave a comment, anything you want. You have a question, a remark, good or bad, leave a comment, please. Okay, so for my last picture, I will take one from the bridge slash river. It's the bridge across my hometown. And let's take the last one. And let's see. There. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this photo walk slash photo bike ride. Be sure to check out this video where I will take you out for a walk in the woodlands, doing some POV photography. And in the next one, maybe I will do some street photography. So until then, see you later.